Hi, everyone, and welcome back. I've got some huge news to share with you today, the biggest evolution in the project's history. You've known it and you've used it as PowerShell GPT. But today, I'm thrilled to officially introduce you to its next chapter, Agent GPT. So, the first question is obvious. Why the new name? There are two big reasons. First, and most excitingly, Agent GPT has hit a massive milestone. It's now officially available on the Microsoft Store. This is a huge step forward. It makes the app safer, more secure, and incredibly easy for everyone to install and keep updated. Getting on the store required a unique name, and that gave us the perfect opportunity for the second reason. The name Agent GPT is simply a more accurate reflection of what this app has become. The app has evolved and is about system automation, advanced web automation with BrowserGPT, multi-AI orchestration, and building true, intelligent agents on Windows. For all of you who have been with me on this journey, thank you. The transition will be seamless. While older videos will still refer to PowerShell GPT, all new development and all future content will be under the Agent GPT name. I look forward to seeing you in the next series where we'll explore the workflow editor, a visual flowchart-style interface where you can design and build complex, stateful agents with a simple interface. It's agent engineering, made easy and accessible for everyone. So, head over to the Microsoft Store now to download the new and improved Agent GPT. Check out the new website at winagentgpt.com for all the latest info and documentation. If you're as excited about this as I am, smash that like button, subscribe to help spread the word, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the first episode of our new Workflow Editor series. Thanks for being part of this incredible journey. Until the next time, have fun, stay safe.